Greetings, cyber voyagers. I am your legendary host, the guardian of the digital realm, your digital sentinel. Jane, the cyber pirate, Doe. Today, I'm about to take you on an electrifying journey into the heart of the cyber universe, where man and machine converge in perfect harmony. But, I won't be doing it alone. Because I've got an army of bots by my side, ready to assist in crafting this electrifying experience. So let's get this party started. In today's video, I'm going to examine how artificial intelligence, or AI, can be used in cybercrime. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines and software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. AI has many applications in various domains, such as healthcare, education, entertainment, and of course, cybersecurity. However, AI can also be used for malicious purposes by cybercriminals who want to exploit the vulnerabilities and weaknesses of our data, systems, and networks. AI can enable cybercriminals to launch sophisticated and stealthy attacks that are hard to detect and prevent. In this video, I'm going to talk about 4 types of attacks that cybercriminals can use AI for: spear phishing, deepfakes, data poisoning, and adversarial machine learning. Let me explain each of these attacks in more detail. Spear phishing. This is a type of phishing attack that targets specific individuals or organizations with personalized and convincing emails or messages that contain malicious links or attachments. The goal of spear phishing is to trick the victims into clicking on the links or opening the attachments and then stealing their credentials, data, or money. Cybercriminals can use AI to automate and scale up the spear phishing process by using natural language generation (NLG) techniques to create realistic and customized emails or messages based on the victim's profiles, preferences, and behaviors. For example, cybercriminals can use AI to impersonate a trusted sender, such as a colleague, a friend, or a bank, and craft an email or message that matches the style and tone of the sender and the context and purpose of the communication. Cybercriminals can also use AI to monitor the victim's online activities and social media posts and use them as triggers or hooks to lure them into opening the emails or messages. Deepfakes. This is a type of synthetic media that uses deep learning techniques to manipulate or generate audio or video content that looks and sounds like real people or events. The goal of deepfakes is to deceive or influence the viewers or listeners by creating fake or altered content that can damage the reputation, credibility, or privacy of individuals or organizations. For example, cybercriminals can use AI to create deepfake videos or audio clips that show or say things that never happened or were never said by the people involved. Cybercriminals can use deepfakes for various purposes, such as blackmailing, extorting, impersonating, defaming, or spreading misinformation or propaganda. Data poisoning. This is a type of attack that aims to corrupt or manipulate the data that is used to train or test AI models. The goal of data poisoning is to degrade the performance or functionality of the AI models or to introduce biases or errors into their outputs or outcomes. For example, cybercriminals can use AI to inject malicious data into the training datasets of AI models that are used for security purposes, such as spam detection, malware detection, face recognition, or fraud detection. By doing so, cybercriminals can make the AI models misclassify or misidentify legitimate or malicious inputs or outputs. Cybercriminals can also use AI to tamper with the testing datasets of AI models that are used for evaluation purposes, such as benchmarking, validation, or verification. By doing so, cybercriminals can make the AI models overestimate or underestimate their accuracy or reliability. Adversarial machine learning. This is a type of attack that aims to fool or evade the AI models that are used for security purposes, such as spam detection, malware detection, face recognition, or fraud detection. The goal of adversarial machine learning is to bypass or circumvent the security measures or mechanisms that are based on AI models. For example, cybercriminals can use AI to generate adversarial examples, which are inputs that are slightly modified or perturbed to cause the AI models to make wrong or unexpected predictions or classifications. Cybercriminals can also use AI to create adversarial attacks, which are techniques that exploit the vulnerabilities or weaknesses of the AI models, such as gradient descent, backpropagation, or optimization. These are some of the ways that cybercriminals can use AI for cybercrime. As you can see, AI can pose serious threats and challenges to our cybersecurity posture. However, AI can also help us defend against these attacks, such as using AI to detect and counter them. Let me mention some of these defenses briefly. Detecting spear phishing. This means using AI to identify and filter out spear phishing emails or messages by using natural language processing, NLP, techniques to analyze the content and context of the emails or messages and compare them with the normal or expected patterns and behaviors of the senders and the receivers. For example, AI can help us detect spear phishing by looking for clues or indicators, such as spelling or grammar errors, unusual or urgent requests, mismatched or spoofed sender addresses, or suspicious or malicious links or attachments. Detecting deepfakes. This means using AI to verify and authenticate the audio or video content by using computer vision or speech recognition techniques to analyze the features and characteristics of the content and compare them with the original or authentic sources. For example, AI can help us detect deepfakes by looking for anomalies or inconsistencies, such as facial expressions, eye movements, lip synchronization, voice quality, or background noise. Detecting data poisoning. This means using AI to validate and sanitize the data that is used to train or test AI models by using data mining or machine learning techniques to examine the quality and integrity of the data and remove or correct any corrupted or manipulated data. For example, AI can help us detect data poisoning by looking for outliers or noise, such as missing values, duplicate entries, incorrect labels, or abnormal distributions. Detecting adversarial machine learning. This means using AI to protect and secure the AI models that are used for security purposes by using machine learning or deep learning techniques to enhance the robustness and resilience of the AI models and prevent or mitigate any adversarial attacks. For example, AI can help us detect adversarial machine learning by looking for attacks or examples, such as gradient masking, model stealing, model inversion, or model poisoning. These are some of the ways that AI can help us defend against cyber attacks that use AI. As you can see, AI can be a double-edged sword for cybersecurity. AI can be used for good or evil, for offense or defense, for attack or protection. Therefore, we need to use AI for cybersecurity in a responsible and ethical manner, by balancing the benefits and risks, and by collaborating with other stakeholders, such as governments, regulators, industry, academia, and civil society. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on cybersecurity. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and share your thoughts or questions on AI and cybercrime. Thank you for watching and see you next time.